Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw trend line using 1 hour time frame as our only time frame. It's also worthy of note that this video is strictly for day traders or intraday traders. If you're a scalper or swing trader, I'm going to make another video on how to draw a trend line with a time frame specifically for swing trading and for scalping. But on today's video, I'm making this video only for day traders. That all you need to draw a good and profitable trend line trading strategy is only 1 hour time frame. So so let's dive right into the video. What is a trend line? A trend line is a diagonal support and resistance. So the price tend to respect. So we have two types of trend line, an upward trend line and downward trend line. Drawing an upward trend line, all you need is two touches. When price is making higher highs and higher lows, when price is making a high, a low, a higher high and a higher low. So all you need to draw a good trend line, a good upward trend line, is to connect the first two lows or the first two troughs from the left to the right hand side of the price. So from this is the first low, this is the second low, and you extend it to the right hand side of the price. So when price come to what? When price come to the top, this is our first touch here, second touch here. When price come to make a third touch, then we'll step down to 15 minutes time frame to look for price pattern for us to go long. In my next video, I'm going to drop a video that are going to show you exact price pattern you will look at on the 15 minutes time frame for you to go long. And first low here. This is our second low here. So what are we waiting for? We're just waiting for another one. Another third touch was for us to go long on 15 minutes time frame. This is how to draw a trend line. So the next type of trend line we have is downward trend line. When we connect the peaks, or when price is making a lower lows and lower high, lower lows and lower highs. If you see on this price now, price made a low, made a lower high, made a lower low. So all we need to do is to connect the two peaks. This is our first peak here. This is the second peak here. So we'll connect the two peaks from the left to the right, from the left to right side of the price. So we connect the from the left, first touch, second touch, then we extend it to the right. Extend it to the right side of the right side. So what we are looking for is for the price to come back for the third touch. When price come back for the third touch, then we'll step down to 15 minutes to look for what? Price pattern or price behavior This is where we go short. So we are now going to go for a chart where I show you how to draw a good trend line using 1 hour time frame as a day trader or an intraday trader. This is a live chart pattern. This is a live chart of GBP USD. So at this point, we are going to mark out our significant highs and lows. This is a significant low here. This is a significant low. This is another significant low here. This is another significant low. This is another. We are going to mark out all the significant lows. This is another one significant low here. Then we'll start connecting it. We'll start connecting all the lows. Connect this. Don't force it. Extend it to the right side. We'll connect this low to this low. Extend it to the right. And see how price tap it. This is what we call break and retest, and price dropped. We connect this low again and extend it to the right. You can see how price came, reacted, break it. Just welcome manipulation. Price did price break it and what? Bang to the upside. Let's break it and bounce to the upside. Then our last connection is this low here to this low here, and then extend it to the right hand side. This is all you need for an upward trend line. This is all you need for to draw a good and upward trend line. As you can see, from the first trend line, yes. Look at the first trend line. As you see, price touch here first. This is first touch or the first low. This is second low. When price came to the touch of the trend line on the third low, this is where we step down to 15 minutes. This is where we step down to 15 minutes to look for short. On my next video, I'm going to make a comprehensive video on what candlestick chart pattern you look out for when going long here. Price touch it the first, the second, the third, and you can see even on the fourth touch, price still touch it and bounce. As you can see, the speed at which price bounced, price did not even waste a second. Price just touch it and bounce to the upside. Let's see how many pips that this bounce took. How many pips? This is a 42 pips. A 42 pips. As a day trader, cashing 40 pips every day, 40, 50, 100 pips every day. Let's take a look at the second. Let's take a look at second trend line. Price bounces for the first time, bounces second time. When price came to the third bounce of the trend line, you can see this is the third touch on the trend line. You can see how price reacted to it. Price came with this great momentum, rejected. Try to move on, rejected. Try to move on, rejected. Buyers were trying to push the price in respect to this trend line, but sellers came and overpowered the buyers, and the price was dropped. And that takes us to what the third trend line that created this draw created this second touch on the third trend line and this trend line. That's where we had this first touch here, second touch here. We had first touch on this trend line, but we're having second touch on this last trend line here. Price went up and was making highs, and price came back on the third touch of this trend line now, and manipulated and created this breakout that was a fake breakout. This is what we call fake breakout. Price created this fake breakout here. When price dropped to this point, a fake breakout came to this trend line, which made the third touch on this trend line. And what do you see? Price bank up to. Let's see how many pips that price gave us on this move from this point to this point. Price gave up to 100 pips, but as a day trader, this is a good point. This resistance level here, which is 70 pips. Imagine as a trader cashing 50, 70 pips on a daily basis. That is all you need. 1 hour time frame trend line trading strategy. So we are going to go back in time. This is an upward trend line and mark out downward trend line. Downward trend line. Okay. On a downward trend line, this is a significant peak here. This is another significant what? Peak here. So that is all you need to draw a downward trend line. Then you connect the two peaks. This is the first touch, second touch, you extend it to the downside. As you can see, price came to the third time and break it. This is what we call trend line break. So automatically this trend line is invalid. Invalid. So this is another significant peak here. We're going to spot all the peaks. This is another significant peak here. This is another significant peak here on 1 hour time frame only. This is another significant peak here on 1 hour time frame. So we're going to connect all these peaks. We're going to connect this peak here to this peak and extend it to the right hand side. We're going to connect this peak here to this and to this. You can see how price came and gave us a first touch here, second touch, third touch, and price dropped massively down. Let's see how many pips that this drop gave us. is 110 pips. This 110 pips. You can see price came back on the fourth touch and break it and come and tested this third touch here. This is our third touch on this candlestick on this 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame trend line, downward trend line. As you can see, this is our first touch here. This is our second touch. This is third touch and price will drop down. Let's see how many pips again we had on this touch. On this another 100 pips again. This is all you need to draw a downward trend line. As you can see on this video, I've shown you how to draw a good trend line using only 1 hour trading strategy as a day trader to draw a downward and upward trend line. This is all you need. In my next video, I'm going to make a video on how to enter on 15 minutes time frame using only 1 hour time frame. So if you enjoyed this video, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification. See you on my next video. Bye guys. Bye.